Can you imagine a future where artificial intelligence is an integral part of every business operation? Picture a business landscape that, after years of economic and geopolitical challenges, is now on the cusp of significant transformation thanks to the current AI movement. This isn't just a wave, it's a rocket ship propelling us towards unprecedented opportunities. Just as significant as this AI buzz is the exponential data growth within every enterprise. We are living in an age where global data creation is projected to skyrocket to over 180 zettabytes by 2025. But in this intelligence era, the game has changed. It's no longer about how much data a company can generate. Instead, it's about how that data is utilized to fuel decision-making. Take a moment and subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up. Ring the bell to get notified as soon as a new video is uploaded. Leave us a comment below and share the video with others on your social page. Thanks. Upskilling our workforce to ask the right questions is critical to getting the right answers. Whether it's a CFO seeking to reduce the time it takes to close the quarter or a head of supply chain aiming to optimize complex logistics, today's enterprises are pulling data from a multitude of sources. From legacy databases and applications to modern cloud data warehouses and platforms, the breadth of data sources suggests that AI-driven automation will remain a key characteristic of future enterprises. As we reshape the roles and skill bases required for the future workforce, we create a perfect storm for data and AI-related skills. More and more organizations are striving to unlock the potential of these innovations. The World Economic Forum underscores this in its The Future of Jobs Report 2023, where AI and machine learning specialists and data analysts and scientists roles were among the top 10 jobs expected to grow fastest between 2023 and 2027. In this intelligence era, it's about asking the right questions to get the right answers. The future of AI in the workplace is not just on the horizon, it's here, and it's transforming the way we do business. From a CFO wanting to reduce the time to close the quarter to a head of supply chain optimizing logistics, AI is becoming a key player. In the business world, we're seeing a shift in the way decisions are made. Enterprises today are pulling data from a multitude of sources, from legacy databases and applications to modern cloud data warehouses and platforms. The sheer volume of data is staggering, but in this era of intelligence, it isn't just about how much data a company can generate. It's about how that data is used to fuel decision-making. And here's where AI comes into play. It's no longer a future concept. It's happening right now. AI-driven automation is becoming a defining characteristic of future enterprises, creating a maelstrom of demand for data and AI-related skills. But this isn't just about technology. It's about the people who use it. As AI becomes more integrated into business operations, the roles and skill bases required for the future workforce are being reshaped. We're seeing a shift from traditional roles towards more data-centric ones. The World Economic Forum's The Future of Jobs Report 2023 echoes this sentiment, predicting that AI and machine learning specialists and data analysts and scientists roles will be among the top 10 jobs growing the fastest between 2023 and 2027. This isn't to say that all roles will become obsolete. Instead, they will evolve. The CFO wanting to reduce the time to close the quarter will need to understand how AI can streamline financial processes. The head of supply chain looking to optimize logistics will need to grasp how AI can enhance efficiency and reduce costs. So while AI continues to advance and reshape the business landscape, it's clear that its success hinges on the ability of the workforce to adapt and evolve alongside it. AI-driven automation is creating a perfect storm for data and AI-related skills, reshaping the roles required for the future workforce. Whether greeted with excitement or anxiety, AI is expected to transform the business landscape over the next 3 years. Indeed, the wheels of transformation are already in motion. Recent research from Alteryx reveals a fascinating insight. A whopping 82% of businesses say AI is already impacting how they will shape and define the future enterprise. More than half, 57% of business leaders say the uptake of AI will be pervasive across all sectors and business functions. But it's not just about the technology. It's about the people who wield it. To truly harness the power of AI, we need a business-wide approach to data-driven decision-making. It's not enough to have a few data scientists in the basement crunching numbers. We need to empower the entire workforce to take full advantage of the technology. And this is where the skills stack comes into play. Just as a tech stack is a combination of software tools and technologies used in development, a skills stack is the combination of skills needed to effectively use that tech stack. It's about developing a broad range of skills, from technical know-how to critical thinking, to ensure that the technology is used effectively and responsibly. Business and tech leaders have an important role to play here. They need to work closely with people managers to identify the skills needed and provide the necessary training and development opportunities. This isn't just about preparing for the future. It's about building for it now. It's about ensuring that organizations can take advantage of current and future AI capabilities. It's about creating a culture that values data, that understands its power, and that knows how to use it effectively. Business and tech leaders must build for the future now, ensuring organizations can take advantage of current and future AI capabilities. Data is dirty, it's everywhere, and it's growing in volume. But how do we convert this into business opportunities? The answer isn't as simple as it may seem. We are in an era of information overload. Every day our businesses generate an astronomical amount of data, but this data in its raw form is often unstructured, messy, and vast. It's like an untamed wilderness, teeming with potential, but also fraught with challenges. The real task lies in extracting value from this data. It's not just about collecting and storing, it's about processing, analyzing, and understanding. It's about transforming this data into meaningful insights that can drive decision-making and propel businesses forward. Yet, this is easier said than done. The speed and scale at which data is growing presents significant challenges. Traditional methods of data analysis just can't keep up. We need real-time intelligence, the ability to extract insights as quickly as the data comes in. But how do we achieve this? The answer lies in harnessing the power of AI. AI has the potential to sift through this data at lightning speed, picking out patterns and trends that would take humans far longer to identify. But AI is only as good as the data it's fed and the people who use it. This is where the untapped data talent in every company comes into play. Every company, regardless of its size or industry, possesses a substantial reservoir of untapped data talent. These are the people who know your business inside out, who understand your customers, your products, your markets. They may not be data scientists, but they have a deep intuition about what the data might mean. By upskilling this talent, by empowering them with the tools and the knowledge to use AI effectively, we can unlock the full potential of our data. We can transform our businesses from data-generating machines into insight-driven powerhouses. So as we stand on the brink of this AI-infused future, let's not forget the human element. Let's not just focus on the technology, but also on the people who will use it. The key lies in realizing that every company possesses a substantial reservoir of untapped data talent poised to unlock its full potential. While AI is set to shape how future enterprises operate, the current skills gap poses significant barriers. As we steer towards a future where artificial intelligence becomes an integral part of our workplaces, it is crucial to acknowledge and address this skills gap. The transformative potential of AI in the workplace is immense. It is set to redefine roles, streamline processes, and even create entirely new professions. However, to harness this potential fully, we need a workforce that's prepared to navigate this new terrain. This doesn't just mean having technical skills like coding or data analysis. While these are important, the real key to unlocking the full potential of AI lies in non-technical soft skills. In this data-driven future, problem-solving, critical thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence will become even more valuable. These skills allow us to ask the right questions, interpret the data correctly, and make decisions that are not just based on numbers, but also on an understanding of human behavior and needs. They enable us to use AI as a tool to enhance our capabilities, rather than as a replacement for human involvement. Moreover, soft skills like communication and teamwork become essential in fostering a collaborative environment where AI can thrive. It's about creating a culture where everyone, from the top leadership to frontline employees, understands the value of AI, is comfortable using it, and can work together to leverage its benefits. The shift towards an AI-powered workplace is not just about technological change, it's also about a shift in mindset. It's about understanding that AI is not here to replace us, but to aid us. It's about recognizing that while AI can process and analyze data at speeds we cannot match, it is we with our soft skills who can provide the context, the creativity, and the human touch that AI lacks. So, as we stand on the cusp of this exciting new era, let's not just focus on the tech. Let's also invest in developing these essential soft skills in our workforce. Because it is only when we bridge this skills gap that we can truly unlock the full potential of AI. It's time to start preparing for an AI-powered workplace. Let's bridge the skills gap and unlock the full potential of this technology.